So with the current state of the crypto market, we all know that crypto arbitrage here in Nigeria is very difficult and it's already saturated. And when you search for crypto arbitrage, you'll be seeing so many updates from different multiple channels. But deep down, most of these updates are not even working. So on this video, I'm going to give you the honest truth about crypto arbitrage, especially here in Nigeria. And still on this video, I'm going to show you the latest crypto arbitrage scam that is going on and how I lost my money to it. And in addition, I'm going to show you a glance of the latest crypto arbitrage that I'm working on that no one has talked about. So make sure you don't skip any part of the video and watch to the very end. So with that being said, let's move. First of all, you need to understand the two terms crypto arbitrage and dollar arbitrage. Basically, crypto arbitrage involves trading crypto assets between two or more exchanges. For example, doing research on a crypto asset, you can buy a particular coin from one exchange at a lesser price, then send it to the other exchange at a higher price. And from what you can see, you can buy Litecoin from Bitstamp at $51, then you send it to MEXC exchange and sell it for $59. So the price difference is your profit. Whereas dollar arbitrage involves taking advantage of the dollar currency rate, and this kind of arbitrage is also referred to as currency arbitrage. For example, the current CBN rate for dollar is 426 naira per dollar, and this same dollar on grey is worth 678.32 naira per dollar, which is like 70% of your capital. But the most crucial thing is that this kind of arbitrage opportunity are no longer available here in Nigeria. But when you search for dollar arbitrage, you'll be seeing so many content from different creators on YouTube. And the most annoying part of it is that they don't do it themselves. They'll just show you how to do it without showing you proof that they have done it in the past. And to be honest, none of the updates is working. They are just clickbaiting viewers to get views. So let me honestly show you how YouTubers do it. For us to make video, we will do research first. And by the time we do research, you'll be able to see that from the overall score on vidIQ, you can see that when I make content on this topic, crypto arbitrage, I'm going to get much view because the competition is very low and they are searching it on YouTube. And that is why you can see small YouTubers are getting thousands of views. So they will just look for all means to make content on this topic without even doing it themselves. In most cases, when you want to take action and do what they are saying, you can either be at loss or you will not make any profit at all. And because crypto arbitrage is a big topic on the finance niche, you'll be seeing good comments and good reviews about them, whereas the content creator themselves does not take any action. And deep down, when you take action to do this thing, you can either be at loss or it will not work for you. Now, this issue I'm talking about, I'm a victim and it's not going to repeat itself. I will make sure that anything I'm sharing works for me before sharing it out to the public. But most people are doing this thing, which is very absurd. So next time, before you think of crypto arbitrage, make sure that the person that is giving you the update is doing it and showing you live proof. Now, before I give you a glance on the crypto arbitrage update I'm working on, let me show you this common crypto arbitrage scam. Now, this crypto arbitrage scam is not that popular, but it's really convincing. And the one I fell into, they have scammed over 167,000 BNB, which worth approximately $47 million. And even big crypto YouTubers fell for it, like Son of Tech.
With Son of a Tech once again, and I lost $1,000 in an Ethereum remix scam because, well, I'm a dummy and wasn't paying attention to exactly what the script said.
And he lost over $1,000 worth of Ethereum to this scam. But mine was BSC because the scam come in multiple ways. They come both in Ethereum and BSC. So when I stumbled upon this scam video, then I took the risks and took action and I fell for this scam. That was when I started doing my research, and I found out that even big YouTubers fell for this scam. Now, you might not fall for this scam because you are watching this video right now, and you should pay close attention to it because I'm going to disclose how this scam work and how they scam people. So the way this scam work is very simple. On the video, you'll be told to copy this code, then you paste it on Remix, whereby you can just edit the code, you understand? Then you create your own cryptocurrency bot that will be taking advantage of crypto prices and make money for you on the long run. But this code you are seeing here is nonsense and it's all scam. So I follow all the process that is being given and I created the contract, you understand? I created the bot, then I funded it with almost $100, and that is how I lost my money because I did not do research. You can see that I created a new trust wallet for this particular arbitrage. So I did all the funding and I created the contract, and you can see that I used approximately 0.2 BNB to perform this transaction. But since I did not do research before investing, that is how I lost the money. The most convincing part of it is that he made over 100% of his capital within 2 days, you understand? But that does not apply to us because this video is a scam. So they took their time to make the video perfect. So what I'm telling you right now is that anytime you come across this kind of videos that says create your own crypto arbitrage bot and make up to $200 per hour, just run. You understand? You can see that this channel has only 2 videos, and the 2 videos are just based on that arbitrage bot. So that means they are scamming thousands of people, and you can see that the first video has 13,000 views 2 weeks ago and 12,000 views 7 days ago. So because people want to make easy money, they will not do further research, they will not do proper risk management, they will just see updates online and take action, and that is how they fall victim. Although I'm going to make a detailed video on how this crypto scam works and what happened behind the scene of this code. So on that note, if you're enjoying the video, make sure you like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative and educative content like this. And also let me know in the comment section what you think about this crypto scam. And with that being said, let me show you a glance of the crypto arbitrage I'm working on. Although I'm not done yet, but we are going to use this exchange grey.co. So if you don't have a Grey account, you just have to use the link below to get started. Then you set up your account. So basically this update involves Google, and the next requirement is a domiciliary account, either from GT Bank or Access Bank. So what you'll be doing is to deposit to this platform with your Naira card, and it is unlimited. But take note, not all cards work on this platform, but I'll be able to deposit over $217 on this platform. So after you deposit with your Naira card, and I'm going to disclose the Naira card that work on this platform that enable me to deposit over $200 on this platform. So the next thing to do, you'll be depositing with your dollar card. That means you will need at least $10 on your domiciliary account after getting the card. Now after you deposit with your dollar card, you just have to come to this payment section, and by the time you use your dollar card to deposit on this platform, your card will be registered here automatically. So the next thing to do is to click on remove, you understand? And when you click on remove, only the dollar card will be left here, and the next thing to do is to apply for refund, and Google is going to refund this money directly to your dollar account, and that is when you take advantage of it. Now remember, when depositing with your Naira card, Google will charge you at the rate of this 426.28 Naira, or approximately 450 Naira. So on that note, to take advantage of the price difference, then you sell it to Grey at 678 Naira. So when I pull out my calculator and do some mathematics, you'll be able to see that by the time I deposit at the CBN rate, which is approximately 450 times this 217.68, or let me just say $217 that you are seeing on my account now, will give me 97,650, and I'm going to sell that $217 at the rate of this 678 now. So it will be 678 times $217, and you'll be able to see that the total amount after selling it to Grey will be 147,126 Naira. Now to calculate our profit, we are going to do minus 97,650, which is the amount that we deposited with, 97,650, and you can see that upon the $200 transaction, we'll be making up to 50,000 Naira on that single trade. And I'm going to drop this update here on this channel, so make sure you don't miss out. And as you already know, I'm DMO, so thank you for watching and see you on my next video.